Hello and welcome back to Southside Miniatures, and because I'd like to share with you the 4 tables that I've made, and then so I made this table here, and because you might be thinking, and if you watched back in our videos, hang on, that one was made quite a time ago, but I did make one the same as this. And about 8 months ago, and so we'll show you that one, so you know it ain't this one here. There's that one, and that was on the short on our videos, and that's this one here. So that is a new one that I've just made, and as you see. So that's one of the tables. So I made one for the Victorian kitchen, and as in the Victorian times they was the heavy duty tables, and they're big and bulky, because this one is made out of 10mm dowel, and then that's square dowel, and then I used 2 bits of 3mm basswoods and glued them together. And then scored the lines at the top of it, and then scored the lines, and then I don't know if you can see, and on the bottom one as well, and then put light satin oak on it. So that's the way it come out, and that is for the Victorian kitchen. And as you can see. And then this will be dyed all the way through, and then there's all the lines in, and then the lines we're going down to make it like it's the plank spin when they're put together, and so I will show you that this in the Victorian kitchen in a moment. That's that one. And I made one for the Art Deco house. I know it's just white, but they did have lighters and the white tables, as you know, and all that. So that's a round one, as you can see. Yeah, I made that one as well. So that's one's for the Art Deco house, and I made another one for the Art Deco house as well, and that is this one. That is to go into the dining room in the Art Deco house, and then as what I've done was cut these out of the wallpaper, and then because once I put it in, you'll see the patterns on the wallpaper the same, but and then they've done that on the wallpaper, and then this is made out of 3mm again. Basswood, and I glued 2 of them together, and I used 2mm basswoods, and that's cut circles, and used 10mm dowel, round dowel, and then glued all that together. So that's how I'm going to go from there, and then I'm going to start putting them in the Art Deco house. Okay, right, we're at the Victorian kitchen now. And I'm going to put the table that I made in. Because I'm going to have it there, and I might move it round. Well, I ain't about it, and then move it round. I'm going to have the sink, the sink this side, and the unit that side. So, and then that's the table for the Victorian kitchen, and then with the other 2 tables. What I might do is just stand them in this house for the moment until I decide what to do with them, because I don't really know what to do with them yet. So I suppose you sort of ask yourselves, and why did I make them? And then there's just one of them, things. But right, this is the that table, and as you see. So what we're going to do is move over to the Art Deco house now, and I'll put them tables in. Right, we're at the Art Deco dining room, and sorry about the lights ain't on, but and then they haven't got it plugged in or anything. Right, so I'm going to add the table to the dining room, and because you have got Tom and Tracy there, and they're looking at their new table, and they'll see if they like it or not, and I think they do, but they will tell me a bit later, I should imagine, and if they like it or not. Yes, it looks a bit dusty in there, but what I'm going to have to do is get the front doors finished, and that is on, so it stops all this dust, because there is and there's plenty of dust in there, and now I'm going to have to over it out. But yeah, that's that table for in now, and I'm going to put the table down into the gym or games room. Right, we're down at the gym or the games room. Right, I'm going to put the table in now. I don't know if I'm going to have it in there or not, and have it as Dev is a games room and a gym. And then there's I might want to play chess on there, or cards on it, or and there's all other stuff on it. Yes, thank you for choosing our video to watch again. And then if you could please subscribe, and push that like button, and then if you could put a thumbs up as well for us, and then we will see you in the next one. So thank you very much for, as I say again, we're choosing our videos, and then catch you in the next one. Thank you very much, and bye.